Welcome to Nomads. The basic structure of the Nomad system, or nomads, consists of a server and any number of agents. The server is both a multi-threaded software application as well as high-performance enterprise hardware purpose-built for network speed and process management. Agents are built upon client software applications or apps running on PC or mobile device. Currently, Nomad supports Mac, PC, iPad, iPhone, and Android devices. Data is sent from agent to server and server to agent. A key to Nomad's speed and efficiency lies within the data routing method employed by the server. This preface points to the flexible nature of the system, inviting the viewer to consider additional applications. The following is a simple example of how the process works. An agent sends data to the server. The server in turn assembles and passes the data to the routing logic, which in turn sends the data back to the agent, or group of agents, who can in turn also send data, and the process repeats hundreds or even thousands of times. With the previous in mind, let's now take a look at some instances of nomads with specific applications. The first version of nomads was developed for use in a classroom setting. Several dozen applications provide a system for student feedback, interaction, and experimentation. In addition to helping students learn material by means of polls and quizzes, the system provides a creative interface for other types of dialogue. In this particular version of Nomads, there are two main types of applications, those used by the instructor and those used by students. For example, this is the Nomads Bindle, or bag of tools. It's a client application used by students to access other programs. This is the instructor control panel. It allows the instructor to turn on and off various features, set topic prompts, and launch larger display applications designed for the entire class to view. And here, we'll use a simulator to show a running Nomads iPhone app for the sake of illustration. Each user first logs into the system, the instructor taking the role of nomadic leadership, or Con. This identity persists throughout various parts of the system. Group discussion allows for a real-time dialogue between participants. Messages are broadcast to all other discussion clients in real time. While not used in its first classroom deployment, the system also features the ability to filter content. The Nomads Cloud offers an augmented version of chat-based interaction. Prompted by the instructor, group feedback is solicited and collated in real time. In this particular instance, group input generated more frequently grows in size, while less popular sentiments fade. With the Nomads API, it's also possible to map input data to many other variables, such as position, color, animation, and time, to name only a few. Using Nomads, groups can interact using real-time questions and answers. In this example, controlled and prompted by the instructor, the group responds and views different types of collated response data. Here, we see a simple columnar representation with color mapped to the response range from dark to light. The background color corresponds to the current total average. Data can be persistent and emerging in real time. Here is a binary polar representation of question and answer interaction, which also displays temporal data. Newer responses are lighter in color, as older ones become darker with age. Virtually any graphic to data mapping is possible with Nomads.